Hi, I'm Jason Schwartz with Rovi Homes. Welcome to 1223 Stony Hill Road in Wilbraham, Mass. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features the convenience of first floor living in the highly sought after area of Wilbraham. Can't wait to show it to you. Come on in. Enjoy the view of this expansive backyard in the beautiful sunroom, or have dinner or a cookout on the patio. Thanks so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you at the open house. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on the number below. See you at the next one.